Hey, leave that alone. Happy Wednesday, people. Finally got the car up and running. I was running low on stuff, so I'm gonna try this. Went to the big dollar store and they were selling bamboo plants. Of course, someone's sniffing. Got some cereal. And some drinks. And this is my inspector. So, I think we will plant the plant outside. When I get some more roots. Well, come on outside, people. You know, we gotta make this video a little bit longer. So we're gonna put the plant in this jar. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. It's got some roots in it, but I want the roots to get a little bit longer before I... So, yeah, we're gonna put it in here for a little bit longer. And I'm gonna show my plant collection. Cactuses. This one's getting really good, that's why I put it outside. Baby spider plant. Some type of succulents.